Hi everyone, it's Helen here. If you've accidentally stumbled on my channel, I'm all about DIY, food, design, beauty, health, fitness, and whatever else I feel like. So today I thought I would actually do a gingerbread man in line with the Christmas theme. So it's Christmas here in Sydney, and you know, obviously we have hot, warm type Christmases here, and gingerbread men are one of our favorite type of cookies, and my kids have always loved this particular recipe. So I'm doing a plain style type of gingerbread man. If you are new, please do subscribe. That will really help out my channel. Also give me a like, and you can follow me on Instagram at helen.awali. So I really look forward to going through this recipe with you. So really quickly, we've got some brown sugar. We'll be using some melted butter, separated egg white, teaspoon of baking soda. I use maple syrup, but you can use golden syrup in your particular recipe if you like. You can always change it up to suit. Obviously some ginger. We've got allspice, so all the measurements as noted will be on my website hellohelen.co. Plain flour, and rather than using Smarties, I like to use M&Ms so we can trick them up a little bit with the M&Ms going from there. So really hope you enjoy this recipe. Let's get started. All right, after we've frozen the gingerbread, cool down so that you're able to mold it into options. I have a gingerbread casing, which I got from Tavello, or you can get some star cookie cutters. So next up, what we do is we grab the gingerbread dough base, get a bit of flour, and I like to get 2 sheets of baking paper so I can roll it out in between. Now, the good thing about these gingerbread templates is there's about 6 to choose from, so really good. This brand, Tavello, I'll leave a link down below. Chopped his leg off. Oops. Oh well, he's a casualty. So you get the drift. You can just decorate them to suit, and then put them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Okay, so about 15 minutes later, these are the results. So some of them are a little bit toasty. The M&Ms, obviously Smarties hold together a little bit better than M&Ms. M&Ms have kind of exploded. So there you have it, guys. These are my gingerbread and star type cookies with M&Ms planted on them. Normally I would do them with icing, however, given time consuming task, achieved by putting some M&Ms. You can whip up some icing and put them on the table and let the kids decorate them to suit their heart's content. Anyway, if you enjoyed today's segment, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and also don't forget to comment. If there's any questions, or recipe will be down below or on my website hellohelen.co. Look forward to talking to you guys once again. See you next time. Bye.